We have our Alumi-Steel and our All Steel models. The Alumi-Steel combines the two, so we have an aluminum deck, but we still have a steel subframe underneath for our towing. So both models have 40,000 pound goose balls. Both models have 22,000 pound rear receivers. Same features or options for both. Drop-in sides, fold-down sides, and of course front underbody boxes. The underbody boxes match this contour. We make ours, they're also tread plates, so they look and function just like you would want them to. You can see it on both, but in the headache rack here, we have a switch for our work lights that turns these clear lights on. You know, as simple as this is, we still incorporate that as a standard feature. You have spots for your backup cameras. We still have our backup sensor punch outs in these also. So integration with, you know, GM, Ford, and Ram, seamless.
What's the primary customer that you see purchasing this type of bed?
Okay, that's a good question. If you want simple, you know, if you're just towing a trailer most of the time, maybe you're putting some pallets on here every now and again, it's great, it's perfect.
Carrying around bales of hay.
Sure.
That kind of
If
deal.
you're carrying a lot of tools, it's probably not the bed for you. Don't have enough storage space to carry a bunch of tools, right?
Right.
Maybe a service body or an SPG is a better choice.
Why would a customer choose a aluminum over a steel?
So aluminum is going to save you some weight. Also, of course, corrosion resistance. You know, you guys at the coast, salt all the time. Aluminum doesn't rust, obviously. So as far as that goes, it is lighter, but it's a little more expensive than a steel one. So that's your kind of pros and cons there between aluminum and steel. We're super concerned about payload, aluminum, because these actually, we can carry the same weight on this as we can that steel one, believe it or not.
Okay.
But again, payload, when you're shaving a few hundred pounds between these beds, a few hundred pounds matters to someone that's carrying, you know, water or brick or something like that, if they want to carry pallets of cement or whatever they're carrying.
A customer wanted to get this powder coated. Are they able to get that?
Absolutely. Yeah, we powder coat aluminum all the time. Something we do pretty common. You know, they're wanting some sort of a color. So whether it's red or white or something, you know, they want to match the truck. Some people prefer it. They want a black bed, but they want the corrosion resistance of aluminum. So they'll opt to put powder coat on aluminum body just so they can still have the corrosion resistance, but they want a black colored body.
And if a customer wanted to find out more information about this, they could first and foremost check us out at Cape Fear Customs, but they can also take a look at your website too, right?
Absolutely. CarolinaCustomProducts.com.